Okay, this is just a brief tutorial about how to use Google Hangout. First of all, you have to have, and you can see I have a lot of emails there, but I have to go through those. But you have to have a Gmail account, okay? So be sure you have a Gmail account. You can't get into a Hangout without one. The next thing you need to do is click on this plus at the top. You need to be a member of Google Plus in order to do a Hangout. Google Plus is similar to Facebook, which is a live stream of information. To be upfront, I don't really use Google Plus that much currently, but I do use the Hangout feature more than anything. The next thing, so once you're a member of Google Plus, then what you can do is you can actually go into this box here and search out a person's name that you want to start a Hangout with. Or you can go out and Hangout yourself, which I'm going to do right now since I don't have anybody to hang out with me. But I'm just going to click on this little icon, this little square with the triangle next to it. Okay, and you can see right away there's my my link to invite other people to hang out, and I would put the names of the people that I want to invite. Now, once you join Google Plus, the other person that is going to hang out with you has to be a part of your circle. They also have to accept the invite or the invitation to be in the Hangout with you. Okay, so you would just, through this little box here, you would send them an invite to hang out with you or become on this chat list. All these people right here I can hang out with. The ones that are green are currently available. I'm not going to bother them, but they are currently available. But you can see once you get on Google Plus, then people add you to your circle, and you add them to your circle. So again, you just click on that little triangle. Okay, and I'm just going to say, end the other call, and then, okay. So anyway, I'm in a Hangout right now by myself. You could, and I would normally invite somebody in, but I want to show you how this works. You could also not only invite them in through their Google Plus account, but you could actually enter a phone number and voice call them in, and it'll just be the voice that they hear. So it's like a conference call kind of thing. On the side, it's sort of dark in the background, but you get the idea. You can see me. You have some different features here on the side of the Google Hangout. You have a chat button where you can actually have a discussion here on the side while someone else is talking. You have this lovely screen share button, so you can choose which screen you're going to share if you're going to talk to somebody or show somebody something. There's a control room, and that's something new that I guess you can moderate the video call. There is a Hangout toolbox. There's all sorts of new tools that seem to appear when it comes to Google Hangouts. But they have what's called a lower third, so you'll have a little blue button along the bottom up here that you'll be able to see once you are in a Hangout. It'll be a sort of a fancier name will be there. There is the volume control button. There is also emoticons, the chat, the comment tracker. So there's a lot of different features in here that are great about Hangouts. Something else that's wonderful is that you can bring Google Docs into a Hangout. For example, if you are working on a spreadsheet, you can bring that doc into the Hangout and you both can work on that doc at the same time. The same thing with writing letters, the presentations. So it does allow for great collaboration. And then we have some basic settings here at the top, which is where we invite people to mute the microphone if someone is talking. You don't want anything to be heard in the background. To shut the camera off, and probably that's one of those moments for me right now. But anyway, to adjust the bandwidth, and just from general overall settings, making sure that my microphone is set, my default speakers, and so forth. But it's a really great feature, and it's great to do video conferencing with. I think I prefer it over some of the other video conferencing software out there, such as Skype, because I think this gives you a little bit more versatility with adding people in, because you can add up to 10 people into the call. The fact that you can use collaboration documents like a Google Doc. So again, this is a great tool, and I would highly recommend checking it out. And it's fairly easy to use, and really a great tool to bring a guest into your classroom that otherwise may not be able to attend in the real. So definitely check out Google Hangouts. Thanks.